Hello dear friends, welcome back to your on YouTube channel Civil Engineer. Today in this video lecture we will discuss composition of bricks, advantages and disadvantages of each component of bricks. So watch the video full and do not forget to like this video. Let's start today's discussion. The first and important component of the brick is sand or silica. Its composition in bricks is 50% to 60%. It prevents cracking, shrinkage, warping and bending of bricks. Silica helps in retaining brick shape. Silica also imparts durability to the bricks. If it is provided in excess, it contributes to loss of cohesion and it makes the bricks brittle and weak on burning. The second important component of the brick is alumina or clay. Its composition is 20 to 30%. Alumina acts as a cementing material in bricks. It imparts plasticity to the bricks and it also gives strength to the bricks. If it is provided in excess, it causes shrinkage of bricks. If it is provided in excess, it causes warping and bending of bricks and thus the shape of bricks are distorted. The next component of the brick is lime. Its composition is 5% to 8%. Lime reduces shrinkage on drying and it acts as a catalyst and helps in fusing of other brick components like alumina and silica. If in bricks excess lime is provided, it causes bricks to melt and lose its shape. The lime should be provided in finely powdered palm. In pebble palm, it makes bricks weak and brittle. The fourth component of the brick is magnesia. Its composition in bricks is less than 1%. It helps in reducing warping of brick. It imparts color to bricks. The yellowish color of the brick is due to magnesia. In excess, it causes bricks to delay and it also makes the bricks weak. The last component of the bricks is iron oxides. Its composition is less than 7%. It acts as a flux-like lime and helps in chemical reaction. It improves permeability and durability of the bricks, contribute in brick strength and hardness. It imparts red color to the bricks. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full. Please do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much.